friends and students. So one more project I've come up that is a new topic, a new sensor. We call it as LiDAR, L-I-D-A-R, LiDAR sensor. So LiDAR IoT project with ESP32 and Web Dashboard. That means LiDAR sensor, that's the big one, and we are also doing it with the help of IoT. So as you know, the LiDAR stands for light detection and imaging, right? So this is mostly used in your scanning technology, aviation technology, there for scanning purpose, perfect scanning and accurate scanning, there it is used. So you, for autonomous vehicles, for latest automobiles, you have 3D view of the vehicle and other. This is done by LiDAR only, that is using LiDAR sensor. All right, so what is it we are going to discuss in the project? So what is the objective, project overview and objective? The ESP32 we have used real distance measurement from TF Luna. TF Luna is the cheapest LiDAR sensor available in the market. All other LiDAR sensors are mostly the LiDAR sensors are costly. So we have used TF Luna LiDAR sensor. So with via UART, ESP32 hosts a web server with a modern responsive dashboard. Okay, you will find a dashboard also. I'll show you the dashboard. Real-time distance display, visualization, and accessibility from any device on your local network. That is the IoT. As you can see in this picture, how the pulses are sent and received reflected back. The scanning has been done. So you can just have an idea of it. Okay, so what is the hardware we have used? The components we have used here are ESP development board, that is B1 development board, because it is a maximum. That board is also only available in the market. Here, LiDAR sensor. This is the LiDAR sensor. How does it look? You can see. Then it belongs to, you can buy it from Smartphone company, Adapter. We have used a breadboard, jumper wires, adapter, and a 5-volt adapter will work, and some few male and female wire, and you will find the dashboard like this on your mobile phone. That means I'll take a screenshot and I have that picture. All right, so wiring and the connections are TF Luna to your ESP32. So that is the first pin of TF Luna is connected to 5-volt. Okay, please give it to 5-volt supply. That is V in of the ESP32. Ground will be common. That will be going to ground. TX green, that is TX green wire. We go to pin number 16. That is RX2. And RX white DP10, it is GPIO pin, sorry, it is given to 17 TX2. So here the hardware in the nodes, you have to keep in mind that the TF Luna operates on 5-volt, which is compatible with ESP32 5-volt in pin, right? As V in, we get 5 volts. No level shifting is required for your connection. That means you don't have any level shifting resistor to be connected. The total current drawn is approximately 150 milliamps and 5 volts. So 150 milliamps is the current. It is a better idea you give a separate supply of 5 volt to the sensor. But in my case, I've given a sensor supply from the board itself. Okay, so let's go to our lab and just have a look and how does it work. So we are in our lab. The circuit is very simple. So very simple circuit, only 4 connections from TF Luna. This is my LiDAR sensor, ESP32. 2 connection here, that is TX and RX, that is GPIO pin. 2 connection, that is after the supply pin, which is going to the supply of 5 volt. And the supply, I have taken it from the V in. You can see here V in. From here, one wire is going here. And the second is ground, which is going here. So supply and ground, I have taken it for this Luna. Okay. And second is the TX and RX, only 2 connections. After supply, that is ground and VCC, only 2 TX and RX. So TX of this will go to the RX of this, and RX of this will go to the TX of this. So it's very simple connection on a breadboard. You don't require anything else. So very simple connection you have. All right. Now let's see how it is shown. How does it look on your web dashboard? Okay. And after that, I will explain you about the code. All right. Now we can see this is my web dashboard. So right now I'm just putting, you can see I'm changing the values because I'm just giving you obstacle. Okay. This is the obstacle and this is according to the obstacle. Just an example. I'm just giving you the complete this thing. You can refresh it also. That means wherever you want it, you can refresh the page. Okay. So likewise, it will be giving you the complete reading. Okay. So likewise, this will work. This is the so that's why we call it as a IoT. Okay. So LiDAR sensor, ESP32, and Web Dashboard. So this is the code part. The code is approximately more than 300 lines. So I will be sharing the codes with you. So these are the three libraries initially. That is include Wi-Fi library, web server library, and Arduino JSON library. Okay. Then you have SSID and password. The server works on 80. This is configuration, that is RX pin where it is connected to 16 and 17. What Luna we have used. And at the beginning, it starts with that, and then HTML dashboard. And all these things, this the HTML dashboard is important. It's a big code, so I will be sharing with you. Then how the reading will be done by the TF Luna, and till end, and the refresh rate at the end will be delay of 10 seconds. Okay, so likewise you can change the 10 seconds to other delays also. Okay, so this is the code. So when you upload the code, first you have to go to tools and you have to select the board. That is the board we have, and you have to select the port. Okay, since the port is 4, and likewise you have to select and you have to upload the code. After uploading the code, you will get an IP address like this here, and the bottom of the IP address you will get what is the this thing also, like what are the changes, and this thing you will get it. Okay, so like whatever the changes continuously on the serial monitor, it will be showing you continuously. Okay, continuously, as well as you can see on the web dashboard also, you can change this. So this is a new project. Here we have used a LiDAR sensor, a simple project with IoT. So I thought, okay, I will share with you. I will be sharing the codes, and please do comment if you want anything else, or you want to more. I will be, there will be one more video on LiDAR. What is our LiDAR technology that we will be discussing in that video. So very new technology and very innovative. So for college and other students, in the other video, I will explain you what is LiDAR technology, why it is important, and what is its use. Okay. So I hope you will like this video. And if you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.